your online business and attracting customers. Your marketing strategy should include a mix of tactics, such as social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing. Marketing and email marketing. When developing your marketing strategy, consider your target market, the channels that they use, and the types of content that they engage with. It's also important to track your marketing metrics. Adjust your strategy as needed. Adjust your strategy as needed. Launch your business. Once you have developed your business plan, chosen your business model, built your website, and developed your marketing strategy, it's time to launch your business. This can be an exciting and nerve-wracking time, but it's important to stay focused and prepared. When launching your business, make sure that all of your systems are in place and functioning properly. This includes your website, payment gateway, and marketing channels. It's also important to have a plan for handling customer inquiries and support. Monitor and adjust your strategy. Monitoring and adjusting your strategy is essential for the long-term success of your online business. This involves tracking your metrics, analyzing your data, and adjusting your strategies as needed. When monitoring your metrics, look for areas where you can improve your performance, such as increasing your conversion rates or reducing your customer acquisition costs. Adjust your strategies accordingly to ensure that your business continues to grow and thrive. Conclusion. Starting an online business requires careful planning and execution. By identifying your niche, developing your business plan, choosing your business model, building your website, developing your marketing strategy, launching your business, and monitoring and adjusting your strategy, you can achieve success and build a profitable online business. With the right mindset and strategies, you can tour. Adding strategy, launching your business, and monitoring and adjusting your strategy, you can achieve success and build a profitable online business. With the right mindset and strategies, you can tour your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. How to start an online business. Starting an online business can be a great way to earn an income from the comfort of your home. There are many opportunities to sell products, provide services, or create digital content over the internet. However, launching a successful online venture takes planning, effort, and the right strategies. Here are the key steps to take when starting an online business. Choose the right business model. There are a few main options for your online business model.